How to create an email campaign in Brevo. Looking to create an email campaign in Brevo? In this quick guide, I'll walk you through how to set up your email campaign in just a few easy steps. Open your Brevo dashboard by logging into your account on Brevo's website. From the left menu, click on Campaigns and then select Create Campaign. You'll be asked to choose the type of campaign. So for standard email, select Regular Campaign. You can also choose A to B testing if you want to test different versions of your email. Now click on Create Email and you'll be taken to the email editor where you can choose from pre-made templates or start from scratch. Drag and drop content blocks like text, images and buttons to design your email. Fill in the campaign name, subject line, sender name and sender email. You can also customize the pre-header text, which is the snippet that appears in the box. Choose the recipient list you want to send the email to, as you can segment your audience or send to a specific group based on your list settings. And once you're happy with your email design and recipient list, click Next to review your campaign, make sure everything looks good, and then click Send or schedule it to be sent at a later time. And that's it, your email campaign is now ready to go. With Brevo, it's that simple to create and send professional email campaigns. Thanks for watching and happy emailing!